Wake up, get up, stretch my legs, eat some breakfast, milk and eggs, brush my teeth up, wash my face, throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon. Let's go, see the sun shining from the windows. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day.
What's up, Mod Squad? And today I'm gonna give y'all a little quote, but I'm not going to explain what it is. Y'all gonna interpret it on y'all, you know what y'all wanna do. I'm just gonna give y'all something for today. But the quote is, nothing is coincident. Everything you're experiencing is meant to happen exactly how it's happening. Embrace the lesson and be grateful. So y'all got the quote for today. Y'all interpret it how y'all wanna interpret it. And y'all, you know, think about it. Read the Bible, whatever you do, whatever your religion is, and y'all carry on with y'all day. It's a great one. Today, we're going to be installing a part on the car, but at first I want to talk to y'all because I hear y'all. Listen, it is not easy to film a video and think about what you're going to talk. Some people say rehearsal, but I don't like the rehearsal. I like to give y'all the raw. I wanted to show y'all the good and the bad of being a YouTuber. I'm not finna filter nothing out. I'm not finna do none of that. Y'all gonna get the good and the bad because it might be funny, you see the bad, and it might be, you know, whatever, you know, you get the gist. But today, I'm gonna show y'all the one part that, matter of fact, not even the part, I'm gonna show y'all the new boomerang that I got before I show y'all the part. It's real nice, it's real nice. Look. This month, hey, this shit really fly though. Let's see what it look like though. Yeah, it's not a boomerang, it's a canard actually. But let's see if this thing fly though. Let's go. Hey, y'all ready to see it fly? Look at it. Oh, this thing kinda nice. Y'all really thought I'm finna throw this? Y'all can kick rocks, man. But yeah, this is a brand new canard. I actually have two for the top and the bottom. But I'm gonna mark it up and we're gonna show you how it actually look. Boom. There you go. It's marked up. Oh, that's gonna be aggressive. Especially when I get the other side done. But look, I'm trying to be careful because it's still ice on the ground and clean. So I'm slipping up, bust my behind. My car is definitely dirty, but we ain't finna do another wash day. We just gonna get these on and call it a day. It's not cold out here. It actually feel good out here. These tire stickers actually stick. Like I didn't think they was gonna stick. I knew they was gonna work, but I didn't think how long they was gonna stick because when I just got it done, I had went to Dallas and I went to Austin and I thought they was gonna come off because I was going like, I ain't finna take the speed because, you know, but I was going pretty fast and I thought everything was gonna come off and they weren't gonna stick pretty good. But they actually stuck, so if I get some new tires, I'm gonna get some more. But listen, we finna get this on and I wanna hit y'all with some cinematics. Let's go. and I'm gonna let y'all see right now. Bada boom. So look at that. I'm gonna let y'all get the side view first, and I'm gonna show y'all the front. Y'all can't tell me this is not aggressive. So what y'all think, man? Did y'all guess it? Did y'all not guess it? Tell me. But I'm pretty sure most of y'all probably didn't guess what it was. Y'all probably thought I was gonna get a paint correction, but I didn't get a paint correction. Gotcha. But if I get a paint correction, I'm gonna get it on the whole car. I'm gonna change the color of the whole car. So don't think I'm gonna get a paint correction in that one little spot. No, I'm just gonna rack up money so I can get paint job all over. But that is aggressive, and I don't know how to explain it, but it fits the wheels, because the wheels are very aggressive setup. The back is a very aggressive setup. Everything is very aggressive setup. But I'm gonna let y'all see the next little hint of installment. So look, that is a very aggressive setup. Y'all already seen the next set of what I'm gonna do to my car, and I might do something else before that, but y'all stay tuned and y'all look forward to that. So like, comment, subscribe, and I will definitely be uploading more. So y'all stay tuned to the content, because the content is getting crazier and crazier on the aggressive setup. I might do a little, little ride around here and there, and then like, meet and greets and stuff like that. But because I just had somebody just honk at me because they like my car. So y'all stay tuned for what's in store. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget. Bye bye.